man.
G. Bumblebumb's career and Jenny's life were at stake when I faced Dr. Sinister and the Black Fog Bank Mob. The man marching back and forth is World Crime Commissioner Bristle. Elected by the World Law and Order Committee, he directs the activities of Interpol in the Metro Crime Prevention Headquarters.
All over the world, that's all I hear. The Black Fog Bank Mob. They're robbing banks everywhere. We know they're in this country. Do you have any clues? Nope. Is that all you have to say? They're robbing banks. All I get from you is excuses. Well,
What can I say?
have you found a clue, a lead, a name, anything? You tell me there's no leads at all? After that gang has robbed banks all over the state, look at those flags. They're not there for decoration. Each one is stuck in a bank that was stuck up, held up by the Black Fog Bank Mob. It's a good thing there's only a few banks left to rob. We're almost out of flags.
At that very moment, not too far from Metropolitan Headquarters, another flag was about to be added to that map. Through the busy downtown streets, a sleek black car raced for its destination and pulled to a stop in front of a bank.
We'll be closing in a few minutes if this watch is right, and it is.
How about you?
I'm always ready, Grilla. How about Sharpie over there?
Entirely set, dear associates. Willow the capsules.
See what the gang looked like because of that thick fog. Where are all the police? Why aren't they around?
By the time the police get here, that Black Fog bomb will be 1,000 miles away. Oh!
It's the chief. Oh, Bumblebumb's off. He should be here. I forgot to call the police.
We'll call them right now.
Calling all cars. Be on the lookout for the Black Fog Bank Mob. No description is available. We do not know which way they went. We do not know how many there are. We have no license number. They are wanted. They have just robbed a bank. They're always robbing banks. Arrest anybody who looks like he robbed a bank. 10-4.
How do people look when they robbed a bank? Any different?
Hey, they could look at the guys in that car right there. They're certainly speeding. Let's get them.
I just can't shake them.
I'll use a little capsule, Grilla. We're almost in our hideout and we better lose them. We've escaped.
Of course, the policeman couldn't see.
inside the hideout, the getaway car is completely disguised by automatic equipment. The license number is Cheng. It is Walsh. It is polished. It is painted and emergent, looking like a new car. Meanwhile, at Metropolitan Headquarters,
This is car 64. Where are they? Has anybody seen the Black Fog gang? We lost them in a black fog. We think they went that way while we went this way.
Oh, well, I guess I better put in a requisition for more flags. There.
I'm warning you, Chief Bumblebums. If the Black Fog gang isn't captured soon, I'm going to put in a requisition for a new chief for the Metropolitan Bureau, and you'll be out in the cold.
You guys are staying fine for the fix.
Wait. Oh.
You incompetent! You better get the smoke! Go lazy!
I'm bamboozled. Eighth Man is my only real hope, and now's my time to call him.
Eighth Man.
I'm bamboozled. Eighth Man is my only real hope, and now's my time to call him.
Tobor Detective Agency, may I help you?
Tell Tobor this is a wrong number.
What do you mean, wrong number? Who are you?
Wrong number, I said.
I don't know why you can't give your right name, just out of courtesy. Well, every time we get a wrong number, Tobor disappears.
Oh, Eighth Man, I need you. Where are you? Hurry! Hey! Eighth Man, what held you up? Every bank in the country's been robbed. One mob. And if I can't catch that Black Fog mob, I'll lose my job as chief. I don't really care so much about my own problems. I can get another job, but what about those poor people who lost their money? Anyway, the gangs rob banks all over the entire world. They robbed the Free Enterprise Bank of the United States, the National Bank of Italy, the Royal Bank of India, the Bank of Mexico, and the Tourist Bank of Miami. This is Slickum Smith, one of the three leaders of the Black Fog mob. This is Harry, who keeps an eye on the fog capsules. He's a master of disguise. And here is Sharpie, also a master of disguise, who masterminds the planning of the Black Fog bank mob's bank jobs. But there's one more leader of the gang. Nobody knows who it is or has even seen a picture of him. He's really the big boss of the gang. By keeping our noses to the ground, we picked up a very valuable clue. It's the broken pieces from one of their Black Fog capsules. I've had it analyzed. They're using a liquid that turns to a fog and absorbs the light. When they break one of these things, the liquid turns into a black fog that draws away all the light, Eighth Man.
I understand, but how can the gang see when it's so dark?
Just before robbing a bank, they put on glasses. They may use infrapolarizers to be able to see.
That's clever.
Well, Eighth Man, got any ideas?
I'll investigate, but I'd better go in my human form as Mr. Tobor. I went to work to find and destroy the Black Fog bank mob and checked every location where a bank job was done in the world. Discovering that near every bank there was a tall building, I proceeded to examine one such building very carefully. And found, aha, I knew it, a TV camera. Here's the room. The camera must be in there. Not a sound. Well, here goes. There's the TV camera. And there's a machine gun standing next to the camera.
Who's there? A trespasser! Shoot! Fire!
Hold it.
He moves faster than the bullet. The X-ray will tell me why. Just as I suspected. He's not human. He's a robot.
It's an X-ray monitor. They know I'm made of steel.
It's amazing. I must play back the videotape and have another look at that amazing robot. Oh, it must have taken a genius as brilliant as me, Dr. Sinister, to build a robot like that. And if the robot's after my Black Fog mob, then I predict a lot of trouble for us all.
I'd better get busy. Using my infrapolarizing I-beams, I located the gang in the fog. Call the police immediately.
Okay, sir. I'll tell them to take those robbers away. Hey, where'd he go?
I went to visit my creator, Professor Genius. Professor Genius, someone has examined me through a TV X-ray camera. Now they know about me. I'd like to know more about them. This capsule, for instance. How does it work? Can you find out?
We'll just put a drop of the liquid from the capsule on this dish. Now I cover with electrodes. And now, aha! When the black smoke is subjected to a high voltage spark, it immediately bursts into flame and is destroyed. Many years ago at the university, I studied with a young man who was experimenting with this sort of light-absorbing fluid. He was a great genius, but he failed in social science and vanished. He's the only man who could have invented the black fog. It had to be him. Dr. Sinister.
Hey! I'll let in some air. There. Oh, it's you, Skip. Let me take that gag off. What happened?
They took Jenny Heartsweet away.
What are you talking about? Who took Jenny away?
Some thugs. As they walked in here, there was a lot of smoke, and in that same minute, they kidnapped Jenny.
It was a black fog mob. I have to save her. Stay here.
Can I go too, Toward? Do I have to stay?
Yes.
All right. I heard them say they're going to take her aboard the ship.
Aboard ship?
Yeah.
8 man.
As they walked in here, there was a lot of smoke, and in that same minute, they kidnapped Jenny.
It was a black fog mob. I have to save her. Stay here.
Can I go too, Toward? Do I have to stay?
Yes.
All right. I heard them say they're going to take her aboard the ship.
Aboard ship?
Yeah.
My super-sensitive detection devices spotted Jenny immediately. She's on that ship.
see that she doesn't try to escape while I take 8th Man to the chief.
I'll watch her, Sharpie.
For Jenny's sake, I'll have to let them take me prisoner.
We knew you'd find out where Jenny was and come on board the ship. Let's take a walk. The doctor expects you.
I'll have to go without a struggle. I can't take a chance on Jenny's life.
Go on, get in there.
The door. Well, I wanted to get in here, and here I am. Hope Jenny's okay. Now, what kind of a trap is this? That Dr. Sinister knows I'm a robot, so he'd be ready.
Welcome aboard, 8th Man. You fell right into my trap.
You've got to let Jenny go free.
All right. I'll let her go now that I've got you as my prisoner. Let me demonstrate the diabolical invention I prepared for you. Your electronic brain isn't going to get you out of that. Your body is almost completely made of steel, and this charming little room is lined with powerful magnets, one of my brilliant inspirations. Dr. Genius thought he was smart in building a robot like you, but I, Sinister, am smarter. I'll let the world judge who's smarter, the man who builds a magnificent robot or the man who can destroy it. And now the fun begins. I'll bet you feel like a ping pong ball. He's still in one piece. And now full power, 8th Man.
It's the Coast Guard and the police. What will we do?
I'll put diabolical plan number 4 into action.
The doctor is a fiend. I must get loose.
Gun 1 calling. May I fire? I'm ready. Don't shoot, Jenny. Heartsweet's on board.
Fire the whirlpool generators. Keep firing! Sink every one of those boats!
Hey, Slickum, tie up the girl and come on deck. We need every man we've got to sink the Coast Guard.
Be right there. Where do you think you're going? Come on back here. Come on back. Stop. You hear me?
Which button do I push to turn off those whirlpools? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Oh, dear, it's too late.
Get away from those switches.
No!
I'll get you now. Hey, I busted the capsules. The black box is loose. I can't see. Help! Where is that girl? I'll get her. Yeah!
was turned off. That's Jenny's voice. She's in trouble. I'm coming, Jenny!
Something's happening aboard the Black Fog mob ship. Look at that! The black fog! All over the ship! It looks like it's on fire! Did he manage any escape? The Black Fog mob's finished! Ah, you made it! You saved Jenny. What a guy! And thanks to your work, banks throughout the world will be safe again now that the Black Fog mob won't be around to blind them and rob them. And the commissioner won't fire me now. You saved my job, Tobor? Thanks. Thanks again, Tobor.
As the ship sank slowly in the water, I was immediately ready for another assignment in my fight for justice.